As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two Weber grills, the Q1200 and the Spirit E-210. Both seem pretty popular, but I'm trying to figure out which one's better for me.
Yeah, I've glanced at them too. The Q1200 is definitely smaller, right? Like, super portable.
Definitely. It's only about 30 pounds and has a 189 square inch cooking area. The Spirit E-210 is bigger, weighing in at 20 pounds and boasting a 450 square inch cooking area, so size is a major difference there.
Okay, so if you're grilling for a crowd, the Spirit E-210 sounds like the way to go. But if you're mainly grilling for yourself or a small group and want something you can easily take camping or tailgating, the Q1200 is the winner.
Exactly. And the Q1200 runs on those small, disposable propane cylinders, which is convenient for portability. The E-210 uses a standard propane tank.
Good point. What about power? Does the bigger size of the Spirit mean it gets hotter?
Actually, the Q1200 puts out 8,500 BTU with one burner, while the Spirit E-210 has two burners but doesn't list BTU. So I think Q1200 is better.
Interesting. So the Q1200 might be more efficient for its size? What about the grates? Are they the same?
Both have porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates, which is good for heat retention and easy cleaning. The Spirit E-210 has an easy-to-clean grease management system.
Okay, that's a plus for the Spirit. What about price?
The Q1200 is around $259, while the Spirit E-210 is currently on sale for $499, which is a pretty big difference. I think if you want something cheap, Q1200 is better.
Yeah, price is definitely a factor. I think it boils down to what you need it for. Small and portable, go with the Q1200. Bigger cooking area and more of a backyard grill, the Spirit E-210 is the way to go.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.